Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be reupholstering dining chairs. We actually bought these chairs a week ago, and if you watched my last video, I did a makeover for a piano bench and I use this suede type of fabric for it, and here is the piano bench I'm talking about, and my wife loved the result and she asked me to do the same cover for our dining chairs. Watch until the end and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm starting with unscrewing the top. And removing a cover. So we're planning on using it in the future if we want to refresh our interior. Now I'm cutting a fabric and leaving about 2.5 to 3 inches of extra material on each side. So I'm starting folding one side and secure it with staples. Then you have to kind of stretch the other side, fold it and secure it with staples. Then corners. Make sure that you stretch enough your fabric, and if you have an extra material on the corners left, just simply cut it. When you have just one side left, again stretch it and secure it with staples. So everything is very simple and really easy to do. If you have staples like this, which are not all the way in, just simply hammer them down. Place the seat on the chair frame and align the screw holes. Tighten the screws until the seat is firmly attached. And this is basically it. I really love the result. Now everything looks amazing. And tell me guys what you think. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So these are all of the chairs I did. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.